Welcome to my channel. Easy ARRIS G34 cable modem router setup now? Step 1. Place the router. Place your ARRIS G34 near the cable wall outlet in an open area. This helps in better signal and smooth setup. Step 2. Connect the coax cable. Take the coax cable from the wall and connect it firmly to the cable port on the back of the router. Step 3. Power on the router. Plug the power adapter into the router and switch it on. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes while the router starts up. Step 4. Check the LED lights. Watch the front lights on the router. A solid blue light means the internet connection is ready. Blinking lights mean the router is still connecting. Step 5. Connect your device. Connect your mobile, laptop, or PC to the router using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. The Wi-Fi name and password are printed on the router label. Step 6. Open the login page. Open a web browser and type 192.168.0.1 in the address bar. Press Enter to open the router settings page. Step 7. Log in to the router. Enter the default login details. Username, admin, password. Step 8. Activate internet service. If the internet is not working, contact your internet service provider or activate the modem online. You may need to share the CM MAC address from the router label. Step 9. Change Wi-Fi name and password. Go to wireless settings in the dashboard. Set a new Wi-Fi name and create a strong password, then save the changes. Step 10. Restart and finish. Restart the router once to apply all settings. After reboot, reconnect your devices using the new Wi-Fi details. Your ARRIS G34 cable modem router is now set up and ready to use. Thanks for watching.